Okay, so in last lecture we have covered that is a more example of blocks and flow graph in code optimization. Now this is that same example. This is the same example I have taken, and from that example I can show you. Okay, yeah, that was the example. So in this I have taken B5 and B6. Fine. See. So hope so you'll understand the concept of block and the flow graph. Now when you do code optimization, so optimization is like you can say local and global. Local is what is within the block, and global is entire the for a whole 3 address code, that is global. So it is done in two ways. First is function preserving transformation. In that we have three things: common sub expression elimination, copy propagation, dead code elimination, and second one is loop optimization. In this also we have three things: code motion, induction variable, and reduction in string. We'll see all these things first and second in their subpart one by one. So first of all, that is function preserving transformation, and in that common sub expression elimination. So what we'll do, we'll tell you the both in both the way, local as well as global. Okay, so what we have to do for as name suggests, common sub expression elimination, we have to eliminate the common sub expression when we are doing it locally. So we will eliminate within the block. For example, I have taken this B5 block. In this B5 block, those expression which are same, so we will eliminate that. For example, if you see this T6 4 into I and T7 that is 4 into I, both are same, so we can eliminate that. Even T8 and T10 also same, 4 into J 4, we can eliminate that. In that, remember one thing, you will consider only one. Okay, you will consider only one, and then and if you are taking T6 is equal to 4 into I, then no need to write T7. Okay, this thing you will keep in mind. T6 is equals to 4 into I, then x is equals to 86. So we are reducing T7 by T6. Okay, this is a very important line. We are reducing T7 from by T6. Okay, so wherever you have T7, you will replace that with T6. So x is equals to 86. Writing of this line is no boundary, because then we have the two same line. So it is already mentioned here. T8 is equals to 4 into J. T9 is equals to 88. T7, okay, this is T7, so it is replaced by T6 is equal to T9, and again writing the same line, no benefit, already we have written. T10 will be replaced by the T8, so is equals to it. So this is called common sub expression. Same we can do in the B6 work also. Those we have the same, so we can eliminate them. Now if we do it globally, what will we do? That for example, we'll take this. Okay, globally what we'll do, we'll see in the entire block. Okay, how? See, you can see the code is T6 equal to 4 into I. Okay, x is equals to 86. Now see if anywhere these expressions are present somewhere else also. So if you see here, see this was the T2. In T2 is equals to 4 into I is there. Okay, and T4 is equals to 4 into J. So now T6 and T8 can be replaced by T2 and T4. Okay, so this can be replaced again, that is writing T6 equal to 4 into a no benefit, because already it was there that T2 is equal to 4 into a, wherever 6 is there we will replace it by T2, wherever 8 is there we will replace by T4. So x is equals to T9 is equals to, that is x is equal to 82. T6 replace किया, then T8 writing no benefit because already it was there, so we'll write T9 is equal to 84 and the entire optimization. So in this you can say we'll do the globally. Okay, so you can exit this globally also, because you can see that now 82 also same as T3 and T4 same as T5. Okay, like x here na, x is equal to 82. Okay, so we'll see if it is also like this. T3 is also 82. So what we can do, we can replace this 82 by T3. Okay, and 84 by T5. Okay, we can replace them. So after doing so, 82 will be replaced by T3 because T3 is equals to 82, so we'll replace that. Now T9 to 84 T5 के इक्वल है, ओके. नाउ 82 is equals to T5. अब एक चीज़ यहाँ पर देखो, 82 is equals to T5 एंड T9 ऑलरेडी इक्वल टू T5 की है एंड T5 ऑलरेडी इक्वल्स टू 82 की है, तो इट इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक कि हम इसको एलिमिनेट भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, then 84 is equal to x and go to B2. So this is way you can eliminate globally. Next was copy propagation. Copy propagation क्या होता है? As name suggests, we have to copy the value. As in B5 we can replace x value. मतलब after copy propagation क्या है मेरा? See here, x is equals to 2, 3, 82 is equals to T5, 84 is equal to x. Okay. So after copy propagation what will we get that see यहाँ पर क्या है, x की वैल्यू क्या है, यहाँ पर T3 है ऑलरेडी, तो वी कैन रिप्लेस दिस x विथ T3. ओके, तो x इज इक्वल, अब आप सोचोगे कि मैम यस, ओके फाइन, यहाँ पर वो चीज़ अकर नहीं हो रही है, वी विल टेल यू इन फर्दर. सो सी x है, x ऑलरेडी T3 के इक्वल है, तो व्हाट वी कैन डू, x इक्वल टू 2, 3, 82 इक्वल T5 एंड यहाँ पर हम T3 लिख सकते हैं, दिस थिंग ना. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉपी प्रोपेगेशन. Fine. Next was DAT code elimination. The name suggests as we can find T3 value from below also, so as x is equals to T3. अब नाउ एक्चुअली जो भी यूजलेस आपके प्रोडक्शंस हैं हम उनको क्या करते हैं, एलिमिनेट कर देते हैं. सो लाइक x इज इक्वल्स टू 2, 3, तो जैसे हमने यहाँ पर भी एलिमिनेट किया था ये चीज़, T9 इज इक्वल टू T5. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, 82 इज इक्वल T5 बिकॉज ये तो ऑलरेडी इक्वल है ना, एंड 84 इज इक्वल टू 2, 3, तो दैट इज DAT कोड एलिमिनेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट जो हमारा था दैट वाज this one, loop optimization. Okay, this will be discussed in the next one.